my friends, this is Zach. Hope you're having a great day. Yesterday my friends borrowed my burn grinder away, so I don't have a coffee grinder and I want to have a coffee. So I will use my blender to make coffee. So I will show you how to do it. So first step, we need to put the coffee into this jar. Okay, we have so many coffee beans, and I think it's enough. And when you are grinding the coffee beans, there are two functions. This is the on-off function, and this is the pause function. And this can change the speed from low speed to high speed. So when we grind this, I will use the pause function first. Okay, I think it's ready, and now I will pour it in the bowl for you to check. So I think it's not very good for espresso for the machine. This powder is okay for some hand making coffee, but it's not good for the machine made coffee. If you put this in your coffee maker, I don't think it will make the coffee you want. So I think today I will just make a pour over coffee. But I figured out a simple solution that maybe you can use it in your coffee maker. We need a sieve, and we will filter the coffee. So we just pour this coffee here and shake this sieve. Just like this, and keep shaking. Okay, you can see the powder, they are different, and the fine powder drop down here into this bowl. And here you can easily see these bigger particles. They are not even, they are not uniform, and I don't like these particles. But here you can see this. The powder, they are very fine. And I think you can try this in your coffee maker. You can try to make espresso. So if you want to put this into your coffee maker, I think it's okay. So like me, I have so many, so if I keep on filtering, so I will get many powders like this. They are very good. If you use a small blender or a spice grinder, you will get the similar result like this. They are not even, they are not uniform, but they are okay for the hand making coffee. And if you want to have espresso or some machine-made coffee, you will need to filter them by a sieve like this. And some people will have questions that why blender can't make a very good powder. So I will explain. You can see here this. The blender has a blade inside to cut the materials. This time is the coffee beans, or you can cut anything else. They can just cut, not grind. And if it's a burn grinder, they will have the burns like this. They are round. This is flat burns. The flat burn and the conic burns are different in shapes, but their working principle is the same. grind the coffee beans between them. The burns like this, they will rotate. One of them is fixed and the other you can rotate it. And normally it's driven by the motor. So when it's rotating, you can see you can adjust the distance between the burns, so the powder come out will be the same size, same with this distance. So then that's simple. If you put a coffee bean inside this, and it rotate and grind the coffee beans, and the powder come out from this. They are the same size and the same shape. It's easy to understand. This distance control the fineness. So when you are using a burn grinder, you can adjust the fineness. If you are using a blade coffee grinder, we call it a spice grinder. It has a similar principle like the blender. They use the blade to cut the material. You can't adjust the fineness, and the result you will get is the fine powder and the big powder all inside. Like today, I made this. They are just suitable for hand making coffee. So this is the difference between a blade coffee grinder and a burn grinder, and I hope my test has showed you the difference. And if you have more questions, you can leave me a comment. And this is today's video, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.